Alright, Sopot Beach Part 2. Once again, I'm exploring Sopot Beach, and it's a wonderful Monday, 12th of August 2024, and the beach is super crowded for a Monday like this, indeed. And I started earlier today from the center of Sopot, and now walking along the beach, and I'm heading now towards Gdansk and the beach there called Jelitkovo. And we have 21 degrees Celsius in the air currently, both in the air and the sea. And the beach is super crowded despite being huge, long, and wide also as well. It's quite interesting to explore and to walk along the beach. So now let's then get going and take a swim as well. Now we have a bit of clouds, but the sun will swiftly make a return. The sea is not the brightest over here, as I can see, but there are many people swimming in it. I'm comparing it to the Baltic Sea in Sweden, where it is more clean as such. And yes, Sopot, exploring Sopot in Poland. Sopot is part of the three-city area, Gdansk, Gdynia and Sopot. And in the previous 2 days I have explored Gdansk and Gdynia, and today Sopot on the agenda. So I will show you the center of the city and the pier that there is there in Sopot. That is around 1 kilometer from here, but the beach continues along the coast, and the Sopot beach is probably long, around 4 kilometers in total. And after that it continues in Gdansk from Jelitkovo, where I actually took the tram earlier today, the tram number 8, from the center of Gdansk to Jelitkovo is the last stop. And from there you can walk to reach the Sopot around 3 kilometers approximately. You can obviously take the train also to Sopot, but if you are an adventurer like me, you will also do interesting excursions and walking trips. I walked a lot over the weekend, despite also taking the bus and the tram and the train. So it was a lot of steps for sure. So Sopot beach, this is around in the middle. There are at least 50 entrances in the Sopot beach, as I have seen, and they are all marked with numbers from 1 to at least 50, if not more. And then, as I mentioned, the coast stretches after Sopot beach to Jelitkovo, and then one other beach, Brzeżno, that I'm going to visit later. Right, as I mentioned, Monday, but very busy beach. But that is because also this whole area of Tricity has almost 1 million population. So it's quite a lot, and it's also obviously vacation season, and Poland is huge as well. I'm not really sure how many people live in Poland, but it's a lot of millions. If I compare to Sweden, Poland is definitely larger in population, at least not in area, because Sweden is huge, but not so densely populated as Poland. All right, then let's take a swim at Sopot Beach, part 2. So let's go. Amazing. It's so beautiful. Beach adventures with Chris in Sopot, Poland. Or as they call it here, Polska, the name of the country. And I'm gonna teach you now how to say good day, good afternoon in Polish. It's dzień dobry, so it means good day actually. And it's similar to Macedonian that we say dobar den, but they say it in reverse order. First they say dzień and then dobry, with a little bit of finesse in the pronunciation. It's more clean in Macedonian, it's just dobar den. Now that I say it out loud, it sounds a bit rough. But yeah, cool. That's also some language lecture for today from Sopot Beach in Poland. Yes, huge sandy beach in Poland, and I'm gonna be walking along the coast later and find some more peaceful areas, because here it is a bit crowded for sure. Alright, thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Sopot Beach part 2 on this 12th of August 2024, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!
Dlaczego